What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday, June 30th. Good morning to everybody. So the past 7 days, it's been raining like every single day. So I haven't had to water the plants in like forever, it seems. So today I decided to water the plants, give them some water, even though they didn't well nourish from the rain. It is actually raining right now. I don't know if you could hear it, but I'm already out here. I just got back from working out, small soaking wet from sweating and working out and stuff. So I figured, it's raining. I'll stay out here and water the plants, just in case it doesn't rain too much. But I hope you all are having a great morning. Everything's going well here. Having a nice, peaceful retreat while watering the plants. A nice little cool off after working out hard in the gym. So like I said previously, I did find another gym. Unfortunately, it's a really crowded gym, so I don't have any ability to film when I'm working out. But I'm definitely working out just like I used to at my old gym. So putting in the work and working on those gains and doing what I can to stay healthy and keep my body active. So yeah, it's raining pretty good. Pretty sure this phone is waterproof with the Galaxy S20, so I don't think I have to worry about the rain getting on it. But just thought to make a quick video showing me watering the plants. And yeah, so hope you guys are all having a great Wednesday morning. As you can see, the plants are looking nice and well nourished from all the rain. Lots of green and colors. Looking real nice. Got the happy frog here. Getting a little bath too. He's just hanging out, making sure everything's all good. What else do we got here? We got the ferocious lion. He keeps the predators away. And the friendly bears welcoming everybody. And the pink flamingos saying hello from Florida. So I did see the baby bunny. He's still around. I'm not sure if he's hiding now because it's raining, but he's still around. He's eating the plants. He's growing up. Whether it's a he or she, I don't know. But he's still hanging out and doing well. And I hope you guys are all too. So I'm going to finish this up since it's really starting to rain now. And hope you guys have a great Wednesday. And I'll see you guys around. Thanks for watching. And may the best be with you all. Peace out and enjoy your Wednesday.